Hello again, guys. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection with our 24 Cayenne S Coupe. I wanted to do a bright sun walk-around video to show off the color of this car. I also wanted to make a correction. I did not catch the paint protection film on the full front of this car, but it does have it. It's just done so well, I couldn't even see it, couldn't feel the edge, and didn't think it was there, but it definitely is. Gorgeous car. We measured the paint this morning. It is a virgin, never touched. Cool carbon roof. And a lot was said in the comments about the seats, the ventilated seats. Yeah, you can't get the ventilated seats if you want this this material. It's not offered, and that's what this buyer wanted, and so that's why he got it this way. And this look was very specific to him, and you know, he built this car for himself, so that's the way he wanted it. And if you want a special car like this, today is your opportunity. This car is ending in just a few hours, and we're pretty confident it's going to make reserves. So if you want to save yourself a ton of money off of MSRP and get in before possible tariffs could make this car even more expensive, this is your opportunity. Good luck, all. I'm jealous of whoever you are. I would love to own this exact Cayenne. Thanks again.